All Meghalaya Pharmacists kalami khmat banwa jingtip hakabayade lano Meghalaya Pharmacists Election kalang namar ba umentri rang ba ula dep an ai service kabalashis na menta bat umpat ai kanu ka jing pentamai kumta kalami khmat banwa dia ka jingtip.
Then whose number is that? This one. One second. No, I just say someone give previous number and this one or something like that. Just take my number, take an appointment. I'll give an appointment. Because we came here for the billing on time, we came in silence. Table to table. Between the minister this one. Yes, sir. So, the new minister you know that the pharmacist is the main intervention in health now. If he strike all the premises, which is pharmacy premises, what will happen to the state? This is the life and death of the people of the state. Yes, that's what we came here. So we are the concern. We are the job seeker. We need job.
Give me your paper which you want that you be for this appointment.
We are the submit to the minister. We are the submit with the previous minister.
Yes.
Then what is the use of the office?
No, to him also we already gave the appointment.
If the minister is not there also today, we will, it's possible. We'll let the chief minister. We have two issues. One with the health.
Give me that.
Then to the
Give me that.
Now, sir, what we request you are saying appointment, we want in written. At the time, we will, until we get that, we do, sir.
We want the confirmation of the appointment.
Written appointment. When we will be free, we want to talk. You call it. We have time, sir. We will wait here. Okay.
See about this also, no sir. See, all these people they are coming from very far places. So if we need to come from very far, their village is very far.
First and foremost, call us up, take an appointment.
We already called. How many times we already called? From 2nd of 2025.
We have the appointment letter. We have got from the office. They didn't respond.
Yeah.
So what? Who's wrong?
Means the office didn't take any responsibility. All our
from our side or from the office side?
it's mean like that. But we are not aware when you call us. I was always there in the office.
Sir,
Rule, Meghalaya Pharmacists Service rule. But yet till today they have not published in copy in any link of the health department from health department. Look, this is a serious concern.
I understand. What I need to tell you is come have a talk with the minister.
sir, see.
Myself, I cannot say anything.
Thì nghĩa là yếu chí phạm này sir vài lát thì halo gần ba phun pilai hi thì là ông và thì là batai ya kata jing ya kedua longka appointment bagi la anda duk mentua bagi mio banyo iki update tentang la yo ban training ini thì ông ba wan tasni wan mio ya keren bagi tasni pendek ke jing keren tasni si council election thì yaki IPH standard ni kwa ban yo update dot nomor ba chief minister la ada ai mo ya ka service rule bagi la ada tempat ya ka service rule ka bampat don mentua thì halor kata ngila up nandu uta la jan system bang nyim yo ban yo ya ka update ding wan tang ta ban yo ban ya keren la ya kata ya di update ye tang bang yo ban tip kan ya ka Meghalaya Pharmacy Council election kan long lanu ta sikmat